I admire my pot. I admire my pot. I fire the pot. I fire the pot. I load the kiln. I load the kiln. I decorate with dots. I decorate with dots. I brush on the glaze. I brush on the glaze. I dip the pot in glaze. I dip the pot in glaze. I paint the pot. I paint the pot. I mix the paint. I mix the paint. I sand the dry pot. I sand the dry pot. I check the pot. I check the pot. I wait a few hours. I wait a few hours. I let the pot dry. I let the pot dry. I set the pot on the shelf. I set the pot on the shelf. I clean the base. I clean the base. I scrape the edge. I scrape the edge. I dab the pot with a sponge. I dab the pot with a sponge. I wipe off the extra clay. I wipe off the extra clay. I smooth the surface. I smooth the surface. I attach a small foot. I attach a small foot. I add a handle. I add a handle. I poke tiny holes. I poke tiny holes. I press a leaf shape. I press a leaf shape. I draw a pattern. I draw a pattern. I carve some lines. I carve some lines. I lift the pot off. I lift the pot off. I cut the base free. I cut the base free. I stop the wheel. I stop the wheel. I measure the height. I measure the height. I thin the walls. I thin the walls. I mold the rim. I mold the rim. I widen the bowl. I widen the bowl. I pull up the walls. I pull up the walls. I shape the pot. I shape the pot. I open the top. I open the top. I push the clay up. I push the clay up. I center the clay. I center the clay. I spin the wheel. I spin the wheel. I place the clay on the wheel. I place the clay on the wheel. I pat the clay into a ball. I pat the clay into a ball. I fold the clay over. I fold the clay over. I press the clay down. I press the clay down. I knead the clay. I knead the clay. I squeeze the clay. I squeeze the clay. I fill the water bowl. I fill the water bowl. I wet my hands. I wet my hands. I weigh the clay. I weigh the clay. I take a lump of clay. I take a lump of clay. I open the clay bag. I open the clay bag. I roll up my sleeves. I roll up my sleeves. I wear my apron. I wear my apron. Admire. Fire. Load. Decorate. Brush. Dip. Paint. Mix. Sand. Check. Wait. Dry. Set. Clean. Scrape. Dab. Wipe. Smooth. Attach. Add. Poke. Stamp. Draw. Carve. Lift. Cut. Stop. Measure. Thin. Mold. Widen. Pull. Shape. Open the top. Push. Center. Spin. Place. Pat. Fold. Press. Knead. Squeeze. Fill. Wet. Weigh. Take. Open. Roll. Where?